Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yeah, I listened to many of you. Many of you so far complained about my voice. My voice is not clear. Many of you commented that, please, could you please raise your voice? I fixed the problem, I believe. I got a new microphone for all of you guys, those who are concerned about this issue from my side. Inshallah, from now on, I believe my voice will be super clear. So, yeah, let's get started with this lesson today. What is the lesson? Al-Imam Ash-Shafi'i. We are going to know about Al-Imam Ash-Shafi'i today. What is the full name? The full name is Al-Imam Abu Muhammad ibn Idris Ash-Shafi'i wal-Qurashi. This is the full name of Imam Ash-Shafi'i. نعم. واحد, he is one of, among, min kibar mufakkiri. Kibar means greatest. Mufakkiri means thinkers. He is one of the greatest thinkers. He is one of the greatest thinkers al-alam of the world. He is one of the greatest thinkers of the world. He is one of the greatest scholars of the world. Wa ahadul a'imma, and he is one of the four imams. Ahadul a'imma, al-arba'a means, or ahad means one, al-a'imma, imam, a'imma means imams, arba'a means four. He is one of the four imams, bayna, among the Muslim jurists. Fuqaha means jurist, J-U-R-I-S-T-S. This is the plural form of faqih. So among the Muslim jurists, he's one of the four imams. Wulida, he was born fi Gaza. He was born in Gaza, min Philistine. He was born in Gaza in Palestine. Sanat mi'a wa khamsin hijriyatan, in 150 hijri. Okay, in Philistine, in Gaza. Wa nasha'a, he was brought up, or he grew up fi hijri, under the care. Hijrun means here lap, L-A-P, or care, C-A-R-E. So he was brought up under the care of his mother. Okay, he grew up under the care of his mother. Fi hijri ummihi means under the care of his mother. Yathiman, as an orphan. That means he grew up as an orphan under the care of his mother, under the love of his mother, under the affection of his mother, under the lap of his mother. وحمل, he was taken. All right, حمل يحمل حمل, this is majhul. He was taken إلى Makkah, he was taken to Makkah. Okay, وهو ابن سنتين, when he was a boy of 2 years. Okay, when he was 2 years old. وهو ابن سنتين, he was taken to Makkah. وفيها, and there in Makkah. فيها means there in Makkah. نشأ, he grew. Okay, he grew, or he was brought up. وَتَلَقَّى الْعِلْمَ, تَلَقَّيَ يَتَلَقَّيُ. Talaqqa means what? Acquiring knowledge. Okay, expanding knowledge. So in Makkah, he grew up and he acquired knowledge. He received knowledge. Talaqqa. حفظ القرآن, he memorized the whole Quran. وهو ابن 7 سنين, when he was 7 years old. When he was 7 years old, he memorized the whole Quran. حفظ means memorized. 7 سنين, sinin means years, 7 means 7. ودرس اللغة, and he learned language. والشعر, he learned poetry. Okay, he learned poetry and language there. Okay, yeah. So and after that, what happened? What happened after that? It's not working. I don't know why. Let me check with this. I want to erase this. It's not getting erased. Whatever. So we are. So he learned lugha wa shi'r, poetry. ثم أقبل, then he moved to learn. أقبل يقبل means, or accepted. He accepted على الفقه. Then he gave his attention to learn jurisprudence, fiqh. Okay, fiqh, jurisprudence is a fiqh in Arabic, wal hadith. After learning language and poetry, lugha wa shi'r, he started learning fiqh wal hadith. وأخذ بالقسط, and he acquired, he accepted بالقسط الأكبر, a great share of knowledge. من العلوم means from knowledge. That means he learned a huge portion of knowledge. والمعارف, a huge portion of understanding. حتى even ارتفع, he surpassed, or crossed, or he reached at a level عن كل عالم قبله, then all the scholars before him. That means he learned so much, He learned so much knowledge, he knew so much knowledge, he had got a lot of knowledge, and he had so much understandings that he surpassed, he crossed all the scholars before him. Okay, hatta irtafa means he hired himself up. Okay, he pulled his level up. Then all the scholars, and kulli alim is all the scholars before him, qablahu, the scholars that he passed before him, he crossed all of the scholars, he became so much scholarly. وأخذ فقه الكتاب, then he started learning فقه الكتاب والسنة and sunnah من الحجاز, from Hijaz. وحفظ موطأ الإمام مالك, he memorized the kitab of Imam Malik, Muwatta. ثم سافر, then he traveled to Medina, إلى المدينة. فسمعه منه, then he listened from him, he listened from Imam Malik directly. فسمعه منه وأخذ فقهه, then he learned fiqh from him. He listened from him, that means from Imam Malik. Then he learned fiqh from him. ثم رحل إلى العراق, then he went to Iraq. Okay, فأخذ عن أهل الرأي, from the people of opinion, or أهل الرأي, from them. أخذ, he accepted, he took. أخذ means he acquired or he took. علمهم, their knowledge, the knowledge of أهل الرأي. Okay, ورأيهم, and their opinions. So after going to Iraq, he acquired knowledge from أهل الرأي, from the people of opinion. He learned about their knowledge, and he learned their opinions. أهل الرأي is the people, those who worked under Imam Abu Hanifa, and those who would find out solution, or extract solution by using analogy, by using qiyas. Okay, أهل الرأي is the people of opinions. So وكان ذكيا, he was very intelligent. قوي الحجة, and he was very strong in argument. ذكيا means intelligent, قوي means strong, al-hujjah means argument. He was very strong in debate, in argument. سماه, he was called, or he was named, أهل مكة ناصر الحديث, the people of Makkah. What name they gave him? They started calling him Nasr al-Hadith, the supporter of Hadith. Okay, Sammahu Ahlu Makkah, the people of Makkah named him as Nasr al-Hadith, as a supporter of Hadith. لأنه, because kana yulzimu, because he compelled, or he forced Ahl al-Ra'i, he forced the people of opinion to wujuba ittiba'i sunnah, because he compelled the people of opinion to to maintain sunnah. Wujuba ittiba', ittiba' means maintaining, following, obeying sunnah. Okay, he forced the people of opinion. Wa yufassir, fassara, yufassir means to explaining, and he used to. Kana, this kana will work also here. Kana yufassilu, he used to explain linnas, for the people. Turuqa, turuqa means ways, okay, ideas. Fahmi al-Quran, of understanding Quran. That means he used to explain, he used to express, or he used to explain the ways, he used to explain the ideas by that people could learn, people could understand Fahm al-Quran, people could understand Quran al-Kareem. All right, so yeah. And what is the next paragraph here? كان الإمام أحمد بن حنبل, okay, Ahmad ibn Hanbal, بعد أن جلس إليه, after sitting next to him. What he did, what Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal did, من المعجبين به, he was one of who admired Imam Ash-Shafi'i. That means Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal, he used to praise a lot. He used to praise Imam Ash-Shafi'i a lot for his knowledge. So كان الإمام أحمد ibn Hanbal بعد أن جلس إليه, after sitting next to him, who used to love him, who used to praise a lot. به حتى, what he said, حتى, even he said, Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal said about Imam Ash-Shafi'i, what he said, ما رأيت, I never saw أحدا, I never saw any person, anyone, أفقه, more knowledgeable, في كتاب الله, in the book of Allah min hada al-fatah, than this boy. That means I've never seen any person in my life who has got better understanding, who has got more understanding, better understanding than this boy. He has got very knowledge about Quran. وقال, then he also said, لولا الشافعي ما عرفنا فقه الحديث. If Shafi'i were not there, if it were not Shafi'i, ما عرفنا, we would not know anything about fiqh al-hadith. We would know anything about fiqh al-hadith, understanding of hadith. That means if Shafi'i were not there to help us to understand, then ما عرفنا, we would never knew about the understanding of hadith. كما ذكر, this is how it was also mentioned. ذكر, ذكر means mentioned. Okay, كما, this is how. كما means this is how, or as well as it was mentioned. What is mentioned? عنه, about him. أنه, that. قال, he said, Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal said, ما أحد ممن بيده محبرة أو ورق. ما أحد, there is no one. ما أحد means there is no one. ممن بيده محبرة أو ورق, there is no one who has got ink well or a paper. Okay, إلا للشافعي في رقبته منة, who was not favored by a Shafi'i. Okay, it's a it needs to be understood. This line needs to be understood. That means whoever is academic, whoever works with ink, whoever works with warq, paper, he must be, or he was definitely favored by a Shafi'i. في رقبته منة, that means he had got a favor on his neck. That means whoever works about academic things, definitely he somehow got some benefits from a Shafi'i. Okay, whoever that person is, whoever works with mihbara, ink or paper, whoever works with ink and paper, definitely in any time of his life, definitely he received some of the favor, academic favor from a Shafi'i. Okay, وكان الشافعي يعترف, and Shafi'i also acknowledge. كان يعترف means used to acknowledge. للإمام أحمد بن حنبل, Imam Shafi'i also used to acknowledge about Ahmad ibn Hanbal wa ashabi, about his companions, بعلم الحديث, about their knowledge of hadith. Okay, that means all these things were said by Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal about Ash-Shafi'i. Now, what Ash-Shafi'i used to think about Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal, he was also very pleased to him. Imam Ash-Shafi'i, he used to acknowledge about the knowledge of Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal and his companions about their great knowledge about hadith. Okay, he was also a very humble person. فقد روي عنه أنه قال للإمام, روي عنه, that means it was reported. Okay, روي عنه, it was reported from him أنه, that قال للإمام, he said, Imam Ahmad ibn Imam Shafi'i said to Imam Shafi'i that أنتم أعلم بالأخبار الصحاح منا, you are more knowledgeable. أنتم أعلم means you are more knowledgeable بالأخبار الصحاح, about the Sahih hadith, about authentic hadith. You are more knowledgeable in authentic hadith minna, than us. فإذا كان خبر صحيح, then if there is any more Sahih hadith, if there is any more authentic hadith, فأعلمني, please let me know. Alright, حتى أذهب إليه, so that I can follow that Sahih hadith. Okay, what Imam Shafi'i said, he said that definitely you have got better knowledge in Sahih hadith. So فإذا كان, is there any Sahih hadith, فإذا كان خبر صحيح, is there any Sahih hadith, أعلمني, please let me know, حتى, so that I can follow, or I can acquire the knowledge of that Sahih hadith. So Alhamdulillah, this is the this is first part of this lesson, that we ended up with reading first 3 paragraphs. Inshallah ta'ala, in the next video we are going to cover the last 2 paragraphs of this lesson, inshallah ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.